LDBIM is a DigiPara BIM file format designed for seamless integration with Autodesk Revit. This format ensures optimized BIM results, particularly for Revit projects. One of the most important advantages of LDBIM is the accurate transfer of BIM properties, as all LOI level of information properties are correctly transferred to the Revit model. Each component from the LDBIM file is imported as a distinct Revit family, and wall openings are created using a predefined family called metric shaft hole.rfa, which is included in the LDBIM file. To export LDBIM files from DigiPara Liftdesigner, start by opening your project in the software. Navigate to the Export tab and configure all required BIM properties for your components. Once all properties are set, click on the LDBIM button, choose a save location, and confirm by clicking Export. If the LDBIM plugin is not yet installed in Revit, you can do so by following the on-screen instruction provided during the process. This plugin is essential for importing LDBIM files into Revit. To import an LDBIM file into Revit, launch Autodesk Revit and go to the Add-ins tab. Click on the LDBIM button and select Load New LDBIM File from the menu. Browse to the location of your exported LDBIM file and select it. Configure any necessary settings and click Load into Project. Your LDBIM project is quickly and easily imported into Revit and is immediately ready for use. When changes are required in your Liftdesigner project, you can easily update the corresponding LDBIM file. Modify the project in Liftdesigner as needed, then re-export it as an LDBIM file, overwriting the existing one. Return to Revit, click on the LDBIM button and select Reload All from Disk or Reload from Disk for one LDBIM file only. The updated LDBIM file will be reloaded into your Revit project. By leveraging the LDBIM format, DigiPara ensures an optimized and simple workflow and precise BIM integration for elevator projects in Revit. Thanks for watching!